Are you experiencing unexplained weight gain, mood swings, or fatigue? It could be a sign of estrogen dominance, a condition where the hormone estrogen is higher compared to testosterone in the body. While it's commonly associated with women, men can also be affected by this hormonal imbalance. The good news is that you can fight back against estrogen dominance naturally, and some of the most potent foods to lower estrogen levels are probably already in your kitchen. Remember, if you enjoy our video, don't forget to like and subscribe. With that said, let's start with some foods to lower estrogen levels. Cruciferous vegetables. Cruciferous vegetables such as cauliflower, broccoli, bok choy, and Brussels sprouts are packed with indole-3 carbinol, a chemical that has powerful anti-estrogenic effects. Eating these veggies regularly can help reduce estrogen production even in men. Not only can these foods support your hormone health, but they may also reduce the risk of prostate cancer. Turmeric. Another potent anti-estrogen food is turmeric. The spice contains curcumin, which has the potential to lower estrogen levels while also increasing testosterone. This makes turmeric an excellent dietary addition for men who want to boost their testosterone levels naturally. You can add turmeric to your diet in a variety of ways, and dietary supplements are also available. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are another powerful food to lower estrogen, especially oyster and white button mushrooms. Oyster mushrooms contain an enzyme that can block aromatase, which converts testosterone to estrogen. White button mushrooms, on the other hand, can reduce both estrogen and testosterone, making them a great option for men with prostate cancer. Fatty fish. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel are also essential foods to decrease estrogen levels, thanks to their high content of omega-3 fatty acids, zinc, and vitamin D. Vitamin D is especially important for hormone health, since men with low levels of this vitamin tend to have low testosterone. Pomegranates. Lastly, pomegranates are a delicious fruit packed with vitamins and antioxidants that also contain anti-estrogenic compounds. Adding this superfood to your diet can help you fight estrogen dominance and support your overall health and well-being. As you can see, a diet rich in fruits, vitamins, and omega-3s can help keep your estrogen levels in check. However, in turn, certain foods can have the opposite effect. Here are some foods that can contribute to hormonal imbalance. Processed meats. Processed meats like sausages and bacon are high in saturated fats and are often treated with chemicals that can disrupt your hormones. These meats can also contain estrogen-like compounds that can increase your estrogen levels. Studies have shown that men who consume high levels of processed meats may have a higher risk of developing prostate cancer and other hormone-related diseases. If you're looking to lower your estrogen levels, consider opting for leaner protein sources, such as chicken, turkey, or fish instead. Dairy. Dairy products that are high in fat, like whole milk, cheese, and butter, can contain high levels of estrogen, which can disrupt your hormone balance. While dairy is an important source of calcium and other nutrients, men with high estrogen levels should limit their consumption of high-fat dairy products. Instead, consider opting for plant-based alternatives such as almond milk or oat milk. Alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption can raise estrogen levels in men by increasing the conversion of testosterone to estrogen. This process occurs because alcohol can damage the liver, which is responsible for processing hormones in the body. When the liver is damaged, it can't break down estrogen as efficiently, leading to an accumulation of the hormone in the body. Drinking in moderation is key to maintaining healthy hormone levels. Processed foods. Processed foods are a significant source of chemicals and preservatives, including artificial flavors and colors, stabilizers, and additives. These chemicals can disrupt hormone levels, including testosterone and estrogen. Some of these chemicals are xenoestrogens, synthetic compounds that mimic the effects of estrogen in the body, leading to estrogen dominance. Xenoestrogens can be found in plastics, canned foods, and even some cosmetic products. Eating processed foods regularly can contribute to an increase in xenoestrogen levels in the body, leading to hormonal imbalances and a range of health issues. It's essential to limit or avoid processed foods and opt for whole, fresh, and organic foods instead to support hormonal health. As you've seen, how you manage your diet can significantly impact your hormonal health. Estrogen dominance is a common issue for men, but by making a few small and manageable lifestyle changes, you can effectively keep high estrogen levels at bay. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something new from today's video, make sure to subscribe to Ben's Natural Health YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscribe button below this video.